I'm Logan Duval with me and McGee Market at our partner farm, Tasty Acres in Scott, Arkansas. Gonna go over some of the king of produce, Arkansas produce, tomatoes, and what we're gonna have very soon. One of the things that makes me so excited about these tomatoes is the partnership that we have with Tasty Acres. Everything out here is coming straight to the market. This variety right here is the carbon. So that's the deep purple. So the purple tomatoes have really been crazy popular over the last few years. So you might hear them called a Cherokee purple or a cream. There's a lot of different varieties, but this one is the carbon, and it will be on Chef Josh's BLT with that Arkansas shoulder bacon that we're getting from Forevermost Farms. So these beauties, that pork, the Serenity bread, all coming together on the food truck. That's what it's all about. So the only place that you're gonna be able to get Tasty Acres is through me and McGee Market. Outside of the carbon, we have the Indian stripe, which is an Arkansas variety found in South Central Arkansas. We've got the Florida 91, which is an awesome little hybrid, very productive. That's gonna be your red, wonderful tomato. We've got a tangerine. It's a yellowy orange color. Then we've even got a late season one, the delicious. So excited. The tomatoes are a huge part, and they have kind of carried the market over the years. We've been working really hard to have the full range of taste, from the really acidic to the very lightly acidic, and to extend that growing season. This spot is planted a little bit later to extend the season, so we should have tomatoes for as long as possible. With that, it's not only tomatoes at Tasty Acres. We've got shishito peppers, zephyr squash, yellow squash, purple bell peppers. There's even cherries, peaches, and all kinds of other goodies that end up at me and McGee. So I hope you had fun and get a preview of what's coming right around the corner.